Hi, my name is Steve Ruffley, creator of iView charts. Now, over the years, I've seen a lot of traders trade, I've taught a lot of people to trade, and basically the software that I've developed is to enhance anybody's existing strategy and to just use the charts in a better way. Now, my technical analysis features on Reuters, Bloomberg, the Financial Times, and that's because I have a way of interacting with the markets and I understand how time frames work and how it's best to approach trading the markets. Now, people take these kind of things for granted. There's only one way to trade the market. Well, there's not. The popular misconception is you need to have a secret strategy. Well, you don't. What you need to know is what everyone else in the market is looking at and basing their decisions on, and use that. And that's what iView charts does. Now, when you open MetaTrader, you get a basic, very, very bog standard chart. I'm going to turn that into something much more exciting. First thing we do is open our trade view window. Now this organizes everything that MetaTrader supports and puts into a logical order. Everything is based on my iView bias, which takes into account all the things I've learned over the last decade. So yeah, there's only 7 ways I know of trading the markets. And the good thing about iView is it tells you 2 of which are what you stay out of. So all the black arrows are low directional edge bias, so you stay out. So you have 2 types of green, 2 types of red, and blue arrows. So blue arrows are breakouts. Okay, red arrows are obviously sell, and then when it's a straight arrows are at a higher sell. Green arrows are buy. Okay, so we're seeing a bit of a mix in the markets right now. But what everything revolves around is my view, and the hourly charts based upon the volume, the RSI, the Fibonacci are the easiest ones to do. So let's take a random example of something that we could trade. Let's take the pound versus the Swiss. So double click on the product. Already we're seeing that green chart made in something better. So again, quite easy to understand from my templates on the hourlies what happens. Generally, everything revolves around the 50%. So break above the 50%, hit the 100% Fibonacci level, close below that, market then goes down. Okay, looks for the 100%. Where's the next place? 161.8. So if the market is going to go down from this point, it's going to test the 261.8 low point, or it's going to get back to the 50% and make some new highs. That's as simple as I can make iView charts. What I like to do about iView charts is use it in a better way, really. So if I want to look at multiple products or even the same product in different time frames, let's take the dollar Swiss. What I'll do is I'll open that up, tile the windows, and we've got now 4 products on which, well, 4 individual windows in which we can look on the same product. So maybe we'll look at the dollar Swiss on the dailies. So put the daily template on. Remember, there's a template for every time frame. On the hourlies, different template. Then maybe the 15 minutes. Then finally, maybe the 5 minutes. So right now what I've got is the iView system working on different time frames. Okay, so I've got the daily template here. I'm showing the overall direction, which is down. I've got the hourlies, which includes my fibs. So we broke above the Fibonacci extensions that we've seen on the hourly sequence. But now, right now, we're coming back to the 100%. So if we close below this, the 50% at 0.8129 is the target. Close below that, then all the Fibonacci retracements come into play. And then we see the 15-minute and the 5-minute. So we're looking at the same product on different time frames. Now this is the theory behind iView charts, that we have the hourly fibs, the hourly pivot points, and all the different indicators to look at. But all these levels, the higher time frames, still ripple through the charts. So weekly, daily support is shown. Yeah, resistance is shown on the hourlies, on the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes. So it gives you boundaries. So right now in the 5 minutes, this is our short-term volatility. So we break above, we get to the high points of resistance. We break below, get to the low points. So this is looking at iView on the right kind of time frames. So again, there's a template for every time frame, so it doesn't matter what time frame you choose. You can just have my templates overlaid. So by using the trade view, you not only see what the bias for the trade is, but you also get these strong templates that allow you to interact with the markets how you like. So for me, this is the only way to trade. If you want to contact me, you can get me on Skype. The Skype ID is Steve Ruffley. I own Trader Maker, iView charts, and I feature regularly on FX Street. So all you have to do is Google Steve Ruffley. I'm not a difficult man to find if you've got any questions. But this is iView and a very, very quick demonstration. Go through the site and look through different information, but this for me is the only way to trade.